In today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 different cocktails that you can make for St. Patty's Day. Hey guys, my name is Erin Courtney, and if you see behind me, I've got a nice little setup here. We're gonna make some cocktails. And not just any cocktails that are perfect for St. Patty's Day. Well, what's great about St. Patty's Day? Other than everything, but when it comes to St. Patty's Day, I'm thinking Irish cream and a stout beer and maybe something green. So we're gonna do all of those. And in the last video, since I used stout beer and Irish cream in the chocolate stout cupcakes with Irish cream buttercream icing, we're gonna keep that rolling by making some drinks to go with it. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and if you're ready, I'm ready to make some cocktails. Let's do this.
Starting out with our grasshopper martini, we've got 2 ounces of creme de cacao, 2 ounces creme de menthe, and 2 ounces half and half. Pour all of these into a cocktail shaker that is loaded with ice. Cover that up and shake it like you mean it. And pour directly into our martini glass. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that is. Next up is our Irish cream martini. So we're going to pour 2 ounces Irish cream liquor, 1 ounce amaretto, and 1 ounce of coffee liquor. Don't forget 2 ounces of half and half. And again, we are pouring this into a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Cover that up and shake, shake, shake. I have way too much fun shaking up these martinis. Strain directly into your martini glass. Oh, sweet cheese and crackers. Now we're moving on to our Irish Slammer.
So a little disclaimer here, I've never made one of these. So we're gonna be doing this together. So we'll start with the beer. In all honesty, I'm not a beer drinker. I like liquor and wine. Ooh, that's coming out. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for just a second, get some of the fizz down. I don't have any Irish whiskey, so we're gonna settle for Jim Beam because we're in South Carolina. But of course, I do have my Irish cream. And with an Irish Slammer, the whole point of it is to put the beer in the glass, put the liquor in the shots, and then drop the shot into the glass. I've seen it done before, never done it. This is gonna be interesting. So I'm gonna put the whiskey. Ooh, you know what? That shot glass is a little full. So what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna waste any liquor. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. Pour the rest of the Irish cream in here. Okay, it's go time. Fingers and toes crossed. Woo! That wasn't too bad. It filled up the whole glass for sure, made a little bit of a mess, but it's nice and foamy. All right, it's the moment of truth. It's time to taste each and every one of these beautiful little cocktails. Disclaimer, if I haven't told you before, I am a lightweight. Cheap date, it does not take much. One of these would do me in. So we're just gonna take little sips. Going to start with the grasshopper. Oh man. If you like mint and creamy, yes. This one I'm the most excited about because I love Irish cream and amaretto is my favorite liquor of all time. And Kahlua, I mean, come on. This will probably be my new favorite. Oh yeah. Oh, let me taste it again. Put the martini down, Erin. Put it down, put it down, put it down. No. Okay, Now it's time to move on to the one I'm least looking forward to since I don't drink beer. That's foamy though. Woo! Woo! That'll put hair on your chest. Woo! I'm good. I'm good. We're good. Woo! Just third time's the charm. Third time. That was my favorite. Martini recipes can also be served as shots, but I'm not really good at sharing my drinks, so that's why I like to stick with martinis. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Stop it.